What's good, everybody? So we're gonna do something different this weekend. I think I'm just gonna bring you guys along because I have a few different things I have to get done. So I'm just gonna record a little bit of everything. So we'll see how it turns out, I guess. All right, let's go.
Hi.
Hey, what's up? Yeah.
I love this. It's like the, I don't know, it's nice.
Yeah.
And I think the black will be a good pop. So I just because I have done this before and not come prepared, I brought 3 other outfits.
Here. I'll just put them here.
This area is nice because you can park and not have to worry about it's like legacy or.
So I don't actually, so I don't have anything in them.
Okay.
So it's gonna feel kind of empty. I don't know if we can. I can probably grab some random stuff.
I have my carbon stuff in there too.
Just need one of each color, and so and then one of each type. So the black one with no big strap. Yep. And then the brown one with the strap.
Yeah.
So ever do that rock thing?
Yeah.
So just like heel to toe rock.
Yeah. And if you need it, if it's
but
I mean, I can walk
do it at an angle, so like that way. Yeah, just like that. Well, I'm gonna ask you to turn sideways, and then, yeah. Actually, put the bag a little bit in front of you, and I'm just gonna get a close up of the strap here. Okay. Let's do a couple more like that, and then I'm gonna get close to the bag. Take a step back and then rock. Yeah, right there. Yeah. I agree. Hey guys, Future Chris here. I just wanted to give Megan a huge shout out. She was a true professional. Go check out her Instagram page. She's a copywriter, so check her out and give her a follow if you can. Alright guys, that was fun. On the way home, there's an area that I want to stop at once it gets dark and take some long exposure shots. I've been wanting to do that for a while. So I'm going to go do that and then I'll head home. Alright guys, it was actually going to be not dark enough for a long exposure shot, so I stopped at home, ate some dinner, and I'm back out now. Just want to get a few shots and then I'm going to be in for the night. I'm on 6 seconds right now. That looks pretty cool. It's not like the best shot I've ever seen. Unfortunately, I just don't think that these pictures are coming out that great, and I think it's because the angle I'm at in relation to the road. So it's like nothing. Go. I'm just gonna take a couple more shots right here. I like these lines. Alright, so the night didn't go as planned, but you know what? If you don't fail, you can't learn anything. So I'm going to try again sometime, and hopefully I can get some better shots. Hi, baby. Hey, are you ready? You ready to see Lala?
Hi. Ano? Maganda gising mo, ha? Ha? Ano? Nakatingin ka na naman sa camera.
Naintindihan mo na sinasabi ko, no? Babae.
Alright guys, we're on our way to a school here in Dallas. I'm here helping out my friend with a short video, and then we'll head home. Okay, so let's do it right here in this entryway right here. Yeah. Okay, 3, 2, open up, 1, jump. That's it. That was good. We got it. We got it. All right, cool. Good. All right, guys, time to record. So let's set it up. So I think the shot looks good. You want to check it out? Autofocus. Autofocus. What do you want? You're in my shot. You're still in my shot. Okay, now we edit. That was real. It's 1 a.m. and I'm finished editing the first video for the weekend. Now I'm gonna get some sleep. I gotta be up a little early in the morning, and I'll take you guys with me. Good night. Alright guys, I'm on my way to church, and I'm on the schedule this weekend to run videos, so let's go do that. Alright, we're here. Let's go. Yup. For those of you wondering what I was doing, I do video switching out there for the online service so people can watch from home. We started doing that during COVID. I got the rest of the day to hang out with the baby and also get another edit in. Hey baby. We got the fan. Alright. Ready to go. So we decided to go out for a walk. It's about, what is it, 96? It's 95 degrees out. It's not that bad though, humidity's low. And we got the fan on the baby, make sure she's good. So I'm back now, I'm gonna finish editing, and that's it for the weekend. So back to work tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out with me this weekend. Subscribe if you're not already. I will see you guys in the next one. Go out there and make something good.